silver last week have tried to rise but achieving lower highs. We have seen it showing a sharper fall and a correction towards $29 levels. In my monthly and weekly forward forecast last week, I have mentioned one thing very clearly: as long as these lower are respected, the chances of a reversal will be very high, because it is trading slightly overbought. And see what has happened. We have seen it reversing sharp and closing at the bottom. So can we expect this bearishness to continue in the coming week and as well? Can we expect it to erase the gains from this candle and move towards 28? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading silver in the coming week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you're new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notifications. Do like, share, and join the free Telegram channel for live market updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Yes, I do share twice a day updates for silver. Nobody gives you in this world a twice a day update video and signals. So do watch every day. Let's start. First, we'll look into 4 hours. And yes, towards the end of this update, I'll be sharing the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. So do watch till. Now look, silver behavior for silver here: the drop, the retracement, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. And this we have discussed in our daily review as well, that it is trying to trade in this bearish channel here. Now it is very important for silver to trade now below 29 and 28.75 levels, which will confirm its downward journey and a breakout towards $28 levels, the first milestone, and then the next milestone towards 27.50. See, if you look at the movement, the bearishness has diminished here. It is trying to get a support here on the 4, and in general, after such a sharp fall, it tries to recover, but I can see there are greater resistances now at 29.50, 29.80 and $30 levels on the upside. Stochastic is oversold. Look at MACD. It is crossed over here. It is just 2 candles away, so it can continue further here on the downside. RSI has dropped at the bottom as well. Coming to day, look at daily charts. This candle is important, and yes, it has erased all the gains for the week. Now it is closed at the bottom, so we have to wait. Now once it trades below the 50 period moving average, that is below $29 levels, we can certainly expect 28.80, 28.50, and then $28 levels. I will be specifically looking forward to 28, and then below 28, 27.50. These two levels are going to be of prime importance to us. If you connect the dots here as well, you will find that it is trading in this channel here. The lows of the channel are also somewhere here at 28. So 28, 27.50 are achieved. But one must not forget what silver does here. If it is bullish, taking the support from the 20-50 period moving average, it tries to bounce back. Here also it was divergent, and now it is converged. I will definitely wait and watch how it behaves for next couple of sessions. The stock I see coming out of the overbought zone. See MACD crossing over here at the top, trading with divergence, looking downwards, staying bearish, and this can continue here for a while till it hits the bottom here. RSI looking downwards, again sign of slight bearish. Now coming to the weekly charts again, see first rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement. Now just connect the dots here. You can see that in the coming week, the support level is there, but it is going to be somewhere here at around 28. If silver breaks below 28, we can say it is turning bearish. We can look forward to 20 period moving average, and in fact 27.50 first support, and then we can see at the 20 period moving average, and then the median of the Bollinger Bands, which is sitting at around 26. See, too much of divergence calls for it to converge, but still I will confirm, and let me reassure you that do not treat this as a reversal. It has to fall back within this channel at 26, stay at around this zone, give a breakout, then only we can say that it is turning bearish. Else it is just a retracement, and then when you see it at around, if it drops towards 26, that is the first question, and if you see it at 26, you can buy again. And this is the story for next few weeks and months. This is not the story for the coming. Now see what has happened here. One bearish candle is staying, and the second bearish candle has appeared. Now we have to wait for the breakout here. Any drop below $29 levels, you can take a sell entry, expect 28.80, 28.50, and then 28.20 and 28. Very strong support here. Below 28, direct lending is to 27.50, and then in fact we may see silver hitting $27 levels very. So see, the rise here was stronger, and Now it has already taken 3 weeks to in fact cover half of this candle. So there is a possibility for a next candle as well. Stochastic has hit the highs looking downwards here. If you look at MACD, see this move, then the retracement, and I have mentioned here itself, it is going to rise. Now it is trying to converge. See, it is not yet crossed over, it is trying to converge. Also, one must notice, see, these are the highs post-COVID and it has room for it to achieve these levels. But right now, what I can see, what has happened here, it has converged and thus it can continue converging for a couple of weeks before it looks over to a rise again. RSI looking downwards, again sign of slight bearishness. Coming to month, if you look at monthly charts, first of all, years of consolidation, then this breakout, then almost 4 years of consolidation, and then this. Now, just one thing is for sure that there is further room for silver on the upside. What it is trying. See, I have mentioned very clearly it is outside Bollinger Bands. And whenever it is outside Bollinger Bands, certainly the pull has to be there on the downside. It has to, the prices has to fall within the Bollinger Bands. And that is why what is happening. It has put enough pressure here. But what we can see is lower highs, higher lows means it has a potential to move towards $27 levels in this month and may try to close at around 28, 29. So at 27, we can potentially expect a bounce back, and silver might try to form a flag or try to stay in this zone for a before it looks forward to a real breakout. Second thing is divergence of the price from the moving average. What has happened here? It's trying to replicate here, but I think it is going to take a little time. It will wait for the moving averages to climb up before it converges. Stochastic, see the rise retraced here, and it has still room for it, but right now it is looking downwards, trying to suggest slight bearishness. Look at MACD crossed over here, divergent, bullish, looking upwards. And that is why I say the drop here, the retracement. Silver has still lot much of room available on the upside. And yes, the breakout we have seen is very, very recent. And thus, there is a stronger probability that in the near term, silver may stay bullish. And that is why also I say, as long as $26 levels are respected, we can at least, first of all, is there a possibility for silver to move towards 27, 26? There is a stronger probability. Can we buy there? Possibility is there, but let the prices move there. Is RSI now trying to look downwards. So now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy. But before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday, 10th of June. Yes, my years of experience and learnings are encapsulated in this mentorship batch in the form of tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can trade profitably and comfortably. Do not miss to join this batch. Reach out to me for details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram, where trading as per the signals also you can profit. Write an email or ping me on Telegram for your queries related to the services. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. And those who had asked me to recommend a broker where you can trade all the global instruments, which offers a swap-free account with the lowest spreads and where there are no hidden charges, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now first, let's talk about the levels to. So see, on the upside, I will recommend you to buy here at 29.30, but I will say that 29.40, 29.60. This is the zone which is going to provide very strong resistance to silver on the upside. And in fact, the next target levels are also very nearby, 29.80 and 30. Now, we have to wait for silver to trade above $30 levels, which will confirm that the bulls are interested. And then I will look forward to 30.50 levels directly, then 30.80 or rather 30.75, and then 3100. Once it stays above $31 levels, you can say that the bulls are back and we can look forward to 31.40 and 31.65. Beyond that, sky is the limit. I do not see that happening any which ways. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 28.95. You can take a sell entry, wait for 28.75, 28.55, and then 28.20 levels. Below this, 28 is must, And then 27.50, $27 levels are the next target. Below 27, direct lending is to 26. See, there are good great support are seen. This is going to be interesting. These two levels, very, very interesting support. And then in fact 28, this is also very interesting support here. I see that it is, even if it continues on the downside, there are going to be the support levels which are going to play a stronger role here, which may restrain the silver prices to plummet further. Thus take your trades accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries related to the services. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.